right, good morning, and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Silbert. Well, I know pay more BB Aquaba. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel to enjoy amazing content. Well, in Koma EBD, Wajen Cherewi Yamepa. How you think this problem can be fixed? Drop a comment. Wajini muni unyansem. Ekwanya hu ne se saa how you bet me no drop a comment. Because we need this form of discussions. To the time be video ni biano. Drop your comment on how you think as a club we can improve this particular aspect of our life. A discussion at Damakoma Sopa. And I'm just hoping that you take your time and listen to every bit of it. Now also contribution what drop. Oh, and run officially the Ghana Football Association notice got common, sir. So they had to engage in meetings. Notice never common, sir, free. The National Sports Authority concerning Accra Sports Stadium or Motum. So earlier on, the Baba Sports Stadium not officially or closing it down, and I forced Asante Kotoko to look out for an alternative venue where they can train and play their games. And now I'm going to be a song crying for so. So now, Heart to Folk will have to get a new venue where they will play their games. They've also moved away from Accra Sports Stadium. I say, has none alternative venue, Baba Sports Stadium. But because of this decision, it means that Heart to Folk, if Accra Sports Stadium are to me or to Baba there, then you have to get a different venue. I bet me I train. The Heart to Folk now will be looking around Legon, University of Ghana. The University of Ghana Sports Complex to go and train. Now, so the news is that the two traditional clubs in Heart to Folk and Asante Kotoko simultaneously lose their various traditional home venues. In this case, Kotoko lose Babara, and they are not playing. And even the exact day they can come back to Babara Sports Stadium is not clear at the moment because initially, now the National Sports Authority plan say they are renovating the venue for a year. The AFCON qualifier Ghana Bebo against Sudan because of how terrible an pitch near. How terrible an pitch near. A brand Ghana bo against Angola. And this was not the middle of the season. This was after said season, I could break for almost 2 months. The facility, the leaders and me renovated the facility after Senna League, I could break for 2 months. And now after a couple of matches at Accra Sports Stadium, Yatum. You know what this means? It means that some testimony is what because if it happens that any of their CAF Champions League group stage game on Beba, if they qualify to the Confederations Cup or to the group stage, the young hair sound common where they will play it. The young hair. But the focus is now on Kotoko and it has. So now Kotoko and House are not playing at their traditional venue. Kotoko OBUASI has Beko Legon. Good. And this is the beginning of the season. My emphasis on beginning of the season is say, the season I could break na fe ni abane de. Esiesie park ni. And sakra ni ahye season ase. But omo down na ntimi ansiesie ni. Ama afi clubs ni nyina no obi abu ni ketem epebe foforo akobo. Now this is the conversation. I think as a Asante Kotoko, as a club, we must start looking at least 5,000 seater capacity. 5,000, at least 5,000. I'll call for 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 to solve OBUASI. because one or the other, at the moment, Kotoko don't have the financial ability to do that. As I'm no credit, obviously, and to sell it. Kotoko need the financial ability to do that. So basically 20,000, 30,000. We need be. Jai to say obi a obo brana oto papa fie. Na aba beturu level a o papa fie no nua mema and omo tim no obi tu kwa abrochira kosi ne de. Je se was o papa fie no eya ye wo de a ne sa. But abusuafo no eda so won they have a stake in it. Ti se won pen mu ase a o pe 2 bedroom no bi wasi as you enjoy your father's big property. In the case of Asante Kotoko, the NSA boss has been fired. Good. Director General for National Sports Authority has been fired. Let me see a story back. And the way things are going, I've been saying this. So if we don't take care, we might get to a stage that the National Sports Authority and facilities under them, they might give it to a private company. And if that should happen, one here, our football club, no, the kind of benefits you enjoy might be different. Because so I check it for the past 3-4 years, almost every year, Kotoko and has more problems with these venues than the previous year. Nana Amponsa first in Kotoko to play at Obuasi and play at Accra the entire season without playing at Babaya. Look at the cost involved. But clearly, Kawoshe and Yomemudia matches Niba Kotoko Obuasi or many pay even 4,000 to watch the game. So imagine if you had 5,000 seater capacity beer. You can easily play those matches. See a away matches. What's the state of Bechim? They say when chi enya venue, young apostle on a mobile. Young the Sunyani Coronation Park, and the People Stadium, Kurumana and Ejigiska, at the dressing room, at the inner perimeter near the senior, Bofakano bet me a ball. Sunyani Coronation Park. So the point is that you must look at how Kotoko can get about 5,000 views at the Kwejat. Then the big games in him said normally you are expecting about 10,000 above. No? Then you move to the other venues. You come to Ibi Ababara and you play. Also, same way I can't, but it should happen because we are getting to that stage. You at the Ama Club. Now we are going to Obuasi. If you listen to the general narrative, Obuasi, because currently options are available, Obuasi. Name can a papa Kotoko young apostles. Why expect 5,000 or even above? Kadakweja chano boni di gate one now control. Ungo 10,000 be a mass good. Everything is with you. Tinka Kotoko has be bebo, Kotoko ni ediane be bebo. Now you fall on your alternative venue, which in this case would have been Babaya Sports Stadium. Nanke ye konesa. And the advantage is that, and I'm saying Babaya ni adakweja chinjina ukumase no. When you are doing the switch, you won't have so much of a problem. For some Obuasi, Kotoko have to go and train at Obuasi. The same as Asante Kotoko. Eso Okwachi Hotel. But nke adakweja achia. Clubhouse na wo fumesano. Players na da hanuma kwa kobo wa adakweja achia. And from Kumasi to Adakweja achia. Because Adakweja achia aye juso. They say Krona Boma area nesa. A 2 road wa ha. Obi a okọ obi and 2 da. Okwa nesa okọ. So it will be easier to get mobilized supporters to Adakweja to go and watch a Kotoko game than to go to Abrankese or to go to Obuasi. And I think say as a club, This is a conversation that we just cannot ignore because we are getting to that stage. By all means necessary, we need such a thing as a club. Imagine saying we go OBUASI NSA and Anka Dr. Kwame Chenye and Abraham Kesena. Where are you going? Also, earlier on, they believe that, oh, Baba, Emma Kotoko, relaxed when it comes to this, getting their own place. But say, yeah, Drubra, the control over Baba in new chain. Abba bit me sorry and Matum. Abba bit me sorry and renovation. The decision to enjoy the facility can change anytime. The house no so a crowd and common come. They form home. But look at what happened. Year two Kumasim, the government wants us to play our game in Ghana. Therefore, the next alternative venue, you bet me a boss abono air class Stadium in Tiatum. Out of nowhere, about the count. Enti, I am found compatible. Now, contribute to the Fabu census, contribute to the virtual seat, to raise money to cater for the day-to-day operations of the club. Now, we will need a forum. I think we need a forum where we can discuss some of these things because you sit down and you think about Kotoko, OBUASI, we are all happy over it. But seriously speaking, Kureno Kremse will say, da boni bi betimi aba. Da boni bi ebetimi aba. Ama wan hwe yi a, imagine if Kotoko at a point, maybe Ash could about back to the league. Now Kotoko at a point cannot use Baba. Maybe I will go head to head with Ash Code for the league and also with Nations FC for the league. What will you do? Oko neck to neck with them. Maybe a Bibiato, you are moved from Baba to go and use their venue. How sure are you, say, when they have an interest? They say, OBUASI no, Ababa head there because at the moment, Ash Code team not anyhow. Until they have no Premier League interest. But imagine if they had a Premier League interest. No, so we are thousand for some league. Just like Nation FC, we are thousand for the league now. We are sure so con the facility the power to me use their league. Into what I will say is that think as a club, you do that crossroad. In the past 4 years, okay, you bought a full season away from Baba. The next season, you bought Baba G League. Okay. The following one, you enter G League. Last season, you told Baba and me a Brankesi. And this season, you call OBUASI. Ananti, and Yados. If Bechem United can boast of a venue, okay, if Young Apostles, it me boast of a venue, recently Kotoko against Hohoi FC, or Hohoi United, if they can boast of a venue, I will be the host to Kotoko. I was stance and call for the town here. I'm not sure this is above Kotoko. We in your management asem. We in your management be na anya na adwuma yi. But I'm just saying, say, if all these clubs gradually are developing to that level, say Kotoko ye call map be possible. As a kem, they have their own venue. Oh my ya, o me stance na kakra a ultimate transfer. O me sibu ha na mfimfin no. O my ne kakra na o ma boss na ho na VIP. Where you can watch Premier League matches. This is as a camp. They've been able to do something small. Bet me a fenipa be 1,000 B. So what in common as it be fenipa be 1,000 as a camp. Makaho hoy. Check the Division 1 clubs. The 500 to 1,000 beer. Obet me a yama and for a ball. Watch a kakragu the bottom they are doing it. So Kotoko, somewhere you start from somewhere. Bet me a target be 1,000. Till you bet me a one side pen wire. The following time wire the other side. Till be a 2-3 years time we'll say when you're 5,000 view into the King's project. And clearly Kotoko we phase 1 no second pitch no Asante Kotoko gusu omoye once omedua grass no water ne ade but all in all there should be some level of speed when it comes to that so that at the end of the day club Asante Kotoko enkodu level obi a won na pre-league now you have no other choice there will be you home matches and they are called on the venue at the end of the day bisa say the only pre-league you home matches the corner on the venue we are sure so betimi akwa question na we are sure say betimi akwa kutwa fa no so akwa league na have a good morning. Bye bye.